Namaskar friends. Let's understand what will we be covering in the proposed DCIM training program.
Through the 16 lessons, we would emphasize on how to bring data center efficiency. We start with PUE, that is power utilization effectiveness, capacity planning in the data center, and end-to-end inventory management. We also explain the job roles, DC planner and how would he provision a data center, DC manager and how would he take care of ROI and TCO. The program brings in practical theory lessons and hands-on activity on the DCIM tool, giving 50% of time to each segment. Further, we discuss the national and international standards which govern the data centers across the globe and India. By mid session, you should know which data center position you should gun for. Thus, in the second half, we would be more interactive and try to understand the needs of the individuals. We initiate our program with the most intricate part of the data center infra management, which is CMDB. We would bring in utmost clarity between the intertwined relationship between the man and the machine. In conclusion, we would like you to be one of the most demanded data center personals.